Welcome to our video where we will uncover the top 5 strategies to make money online. This step-by-step guide will provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips to boost your online income. So, let's dive in. Strategy number 1 is freelancing. Discover how you can leverage your skills and knowledge to offer services as a freelancer. We'll explore various freelancing platforms and discuss the steps to kickstart your freelancing career. Moving on to strategy number 2, we will uncover the power of affiliate marketing. Learn how you can promote products or services and earn commissions for every sale you generate. We'll provide a step-by-step guide to help you get started and maximize your affiliate earnings. Strategy number 3 focuses on creating digital products. We'll explore the different types of digital products you can create and how to monetize them effectively. Get ready to unleash your creativity and turn your passion into profit. In strategy number 4, we'll delve into the world of online courses and coaching. Discover how you can share your expertise and knowledge with others by creating online courses or offering coaching services. We'll guide you through the process of creating and selling online courses that stand out. Finally, strategy number 5 introduces the exciting world of e-commerce and dropshipping. Learn how to set up your own online store and leverage dropshipping to sell products without the hassle of inventory management. We'll provide valuable tips and tricks to help you succeed in this lucrative online business model.